Hi everybody, today we're gonna make a very cool recipe on the K24 Kamado from Tbsp. I found those giant skewers on Amazon, and it will be perfect because I have a great tri-tip here, and we will cook it on very low temperature, like on a parrilla, like the Argentine way, okay? Very low temperature to caramelize the meat very slowly on the Kamado, so it will be fantastic. I will do it in a Greek style mode, okay? So that means that I will use a spice blend, some olive oil, some lemon juice, and lemon peel, okay? Some honey and red wine, and that's it. We will put the marinade in a Ziploc bag, okay, and the meat will stay maybe for 4 hours in the fridge. The longest is the best, but I only have 4 hours today, but you can do it overnight, it will be better yet. All the ingredients of the whole recipe are in the description here and there, okay? I have a 1.4 kilogram tri-tip with a lot of fat, which is perfect because it will help to keep the meat tender and moist. The fat will render during cooking without burning the meat. All right, so let's go. Let's do the marinade first. As you can see, on any tri-tip, you get 2 directions for the muscular fibers. All right. Okay, so I will start cooking in a perpendicular way here, like that, and then you see the line here with the separation of the 2 parts of the muscle. Now the second part will be cut like that. Okay. Let's put them in the bag. Marinade. We will remove all the excess air. Now, we'll massage the meat a little bit and let it rest 4 hours in the fridge. After 2 hours, I will flip the bag in the fridge, all right? I know that when you buy a Kamado grill, the seller will tell you to not put any wood in the Kamado because it's dangerous for the ceramic. It's true, but it's only for wood logs, big wood logs, okay? If you put 5 or 6 pieces of wood like this one to make charcoal, you will not have any issue. What we want to do now is to put some wood on top of the charcoal, okay? Let it burn to get brand new charcoal, fresh charcoal from wood, to get a great flavor, to get a great smoke flavor, okay? So let's do that. So I'm creating a bed of charcoal, okay? And now I will let the temperature drop for maybe 10 to 15 minutes, okay? Because it's too hot. Now the temperature is okay. I can let my hand maybe for 2 or 3 seconds. So I will caramelize the meat without burning it. Do you listen? The drippings on the charcoal, that's perfect. I can add some small piece of wood on the right or the left of the meat, but not under the meat, because I will get too many flames and I will burn the meat. All right, so only on the left or on the right of the meat. So this is the beef skewer. You can see that it looks great. It's fantastic. I made some rice with some tomato and Parmesan cheese and some Greek spices and the vegetables, of course. So I hope you appreciate this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.